Well, right or wrong, I'm fixing the most mate. It's got some height to it, it's thinner than normal. Hopefully the weather will hold out according to the predictions. It's looking like it will be okay, but you never know. It's always hard to do this first one because you hate to mess up on the first round of cutting hay. But anyways, I'm gonna get started, so we'll see what happens. pretty good progress. I had to quit. Had a car wreck we had to go to down Caney here, down this road. But I came on back and got started again. Had been for that, I'd have probably been finished by now. Got all our hay mowed last night out this way. I'm gonna go mow the cemetery at the service station. Dad tethered out here a little while ago, hoping the rains will hold off till we can get it baled. Didn't video much more last night because I had to go on a fire call on a wreck just down this way, which I probably told you that already. My bus broke down. Well, it ain't really broke down, but it's got something going on with it. I don't know. It's either the turbo or an exhaust manifold gasket. I kind of feel like it's an exhaust manifold gasket or the gasket between the manifold and the turbo or something, because when the exhaust brake comes on, it just squeals. It's a screaming sound comes out of it, and it's kind of like when it's building the back pressure, putting it back into the manifold, and where the gasket, if the gasket's bad, it's pushing all that pressure out that one small opening and making it make a screeching sound. That's just my logic, and I could be wrong, but if anybody has any idea, let me know. But it's got the Cummins engine, but I'd say I won't have it back before school goes out, unless I just happen to get super duper lucky and they get it fixed right away. But they're having trouble. More mechanics are gone, and it's just hard for them to get anything done right now. But we'll go get started. I know it's probably hard to tell on camera, but that hay's fairly thin. It's got some height to it, but it's thin. I thought last year's hay crop was bad. This one's even worse. But maybe we'll get a good second cut. That worked out last year. Had a good crop of second cut hay. Let's see. Thought I'd go ahead and hook my baler up. Yeah, I'm gonna need some twine too. That wire could use a little more attention, but it don't have much more adjustment. I got the belt slacked off, I believe. I'm gonna have to hook my hydraulics up, raise it up, and pull the pin out. For that, baled that third cut hay with this at the farm track last year. It ain't been out since. raise it up. Pull this pin wherever it's at. Lay that stuff out there so it don't get hung up and nothing. I'm gonna go ahead and turn the belts on and let it run a second. Sounds good. Hot. I'm tightening the idler adjuster pulley. Some slack out of that little chain there. Trying to get that wrench on there for a cheater, but okay. Yeah, that's a lot better. Trying to find a good way to get a little push on that with the bar. Huh. That ain't too bad. That's better. That's better. All right. Dad tethered the hay today with the John Deere, and acted like he liked it pretty good. Of course, I wasn't here to get any video of it, but he said it done real good. Said he felt comfortable on it and felt safe on it and everything. So happy to hear that. But that's it for this one. If you will, please like, subscribe, and comment, and we'll catch you on the next one.